Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change Google Chrome language back to English. Now, at first, what you have to do is just open up your Google Chrome browser. As you can see, the language is not English, and I cannot read this language. So, I'm going to show you guys how you can change your language back to English. So just follow me. Just go to the three dot icon. Then from here, from the bottom, count 1, 2, 3. From the bottom, go to the third icon, the gear icon. Just click on this. This will be your settings. Just go inside your settings. Then from here, from the left hand menu, you'll see this. Just match the icon. This is for the language icon. Just select this. Then from here, you'll see this button at the top. Just click on this. Now here, just search for English. Then just add your desired English language. Mine is already added in the list, so I'm not gonna add anything else. So I'm just gonna cancel this. As you can see, my English is right here. So I'm gonna click on the three dot icon and I'm gonna select this. Just check this. This basically says that Chrome language will be set to this language. And yes, I want to change Chrome language to English, so I'm gonna check this. Then it will ask you to relaunch Chrome. Just click on this. Then just wait, it will relaunch Chrome for you. And there you go. Your language has been changed to English. And basically that is how to change Google Chrome language back to English. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.